Hi, I'm Dr. Steven Sinatra. I'm here at Gurney's Inn in Montauk Point, Long Island, with my son Step.
Hey, Dad.
And we're going to talk about wine and chocolate. Now, why wine and chocolate together in one segment? Well, they're both synergistic. Look, chocolate, for example, especially dark chocolate, cocoa, the darker the better, is very medicinal. What does it do? Well, there are double-blind studies to show, for example, that it prevents cardiovascular disease. And as a cardiologist, I can attest to that fact because I had many patients eating dark chocolate and they were doing well, despite the fact that they were getting sugar. So there's something about dark chocolate. Step, you know about dark chocolate, right?
Absolutely. I mean, first of all, it stimulates nitric oxide production.
Yeah,
right?
little nitric
Which dilates
oxide.
the blood vessels.
Right,
Dad,
right. You're right.
You're
right.
wrong, 'cause
Yep.
you're the doctor. It also contains anandamide, right?
Yeah. Now that's what that is. It's sort of a substance in chocolate that stimulates phenylethylamine in the brain.
I just know that as love chemical.
That's the love
right?
chemical.
Yeah,
that's why
exactly.
they say diamonds are a girl's best friend. Well, dark
Chocolate's
chocolate can be a girl's
girl's
best
best
friend. That's right. So anyway, there's so much information on dark chocolate. It prevents the oxidation of LDL. It can improve cholesterol. It can, like I said before, it improves the nature of cardiovascular disease. Where people who have it, they get less of it in the future. They have less cardiovascular events. So I'm a big proponent of chocolate. Now, chocolate goes good with red wine.
Absolutely, Dad.
And tell us about Free Spirit Wine, your company.
Well, Free Spirit Wine, basically we started this company with the intention of sharing and giving. That was really the basis behind that, right, Dad? Mm-hmm. And it's pretty much goes on the essence of creating organic, sustainable, or biodynamic wines.
Correct.
And along the lines of our healthy kind of program, we brought that into our beverages. So once again, back to the chocolate, wine has something with the tannins that offset the fat and some of that aspects of chocolate, which really blend and make it a delicious combination.
And remember, no fungicides, no pesticides, no insecticides. This is the kind of wines you want to drink. Now, why red wine? Well, resveratrol, quercetin, polyphenols, all these natural phytonutrients that allegedly increase longevity, block the oxidation of LDL, help to prevent carcinogenesis. I mean, there's a whole host of things that resveratrol and quercetin do. So, hey, we're bullish on red wine and chocolate.
And talk about a healthy dessert, 1 and 2. Right?
But remember, moderation is key.
Yes.
Do not drink red wine every day, folks. Hey, look, the French, we call it the French paradox, have the lowest incidence of heart disease in Western Europe, despite the fact that their average cholesterol is 250 and above, but they have the highest incidence of cirrhosis in the world. So we want to improve cardiovascular disease, but not every day. 4 days a week, 1 glass is perfectly okay.
But chocolate every day, right?
6 days a week.
Okay, fine.
Never on Sunday.
I'm in for every day.
All kidding aside, Step, look, moderation is key. 1 piece of chocolate a day, maybe 4 to 6 days a week. Is that okay?
It's all right, Dad.
All right.
You're right.
Here's your chocolate. Thanks for the shoot. Be well.